The ICT Swing Separator Indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the charts. Traders can also refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and drag it onto the chart to run the indicator. Just make sure to enable the Allow DLL Imports option in the Common section and then click the Confirm button. Select the indicator, enable Allow DLL Imports and confirm. The indicator analyzes the chart and draws swing separators. Just make sure to activate this Portso tick from the Common section of the LADIL option and then click the Confirmation button. The indicator analyzes the chart and identifies swing separators, sending buy and sell signals to inform traders about trading opportunities. At the New York session start, it draws two sets. The first breakout, either downward or upward, displays the first signal. The second breakout, opposite to the first, triggers the second signal. We then wait for the second signal, which has been sent. The indicator then looks for a fair value gap, FVG, which occurs here. It waits for the price to enter its FVG range and have a downward breakout, which happens here. Finally, it waits for a retracement, which is this candle. It draws two sets. First breakout triggers the first signal. Second breakout opposite triggers the second signal. First signal issued. Wait for the second signal, which is sent. Indicator looks for a fair value gap, FVG, which occurs. Waits for price to enter FVG range and break down, which happens. Waits for retracement. In this case, it's this candle. If candle closes below FVG level, sell signal issued. Conversely, for a buy signal, when FVG is up, price retraces into range and breaks up, waiting for confirmation before issuing a buy signal. The indicator waits for an FVG to occur, then it waits for the price to enter its FVG range and have a downward breakout, which occurred. It waits for a retracement. If it closes below FVG, sell signal issues. Opposite for buy signal when FVG upward. When price retraces and breaks upward, it confirms and issues buy signal. Display settings include custom theme, dark, light, auto. If this downward candle closes at the level of FWG, the sell signal will be sent to us. The opposite of this trend is also for the buy signal. When the FWG is up, the price will return to the range and break it up and wait for a confirmation of the trading position. After that, it sends the purchase signal in the settings section. In the input section, there are several options available. The first part is for display settings, and the indicator has a custom theme or template that comes in three modes: dark theme, light theme, and auto theme. By selecting the dark option, a dark template is applied to the chart. By choosing the light option, a light template is applied to the chart. The template on my chart is set to auto, which only changes the colors of the candles, with profit candles turning bright green and losing candles turning bright red. The next section is the time settings, where we can set the start time for the New York market. We can also set the end time for the New York market from this section. After that, there are settings for backtesting, where you can adjust the time difference between the server and GMT. By default, it's set to 3600 seconds. In live market mode, it does its calculations, so this option is only for backtesting. Here, I select the dark template and then click Confirm. My template changes to a dark color, and the indicator starts searching and drawing swing separators on the chart, issuing buy and sell signals for us. The live market does its calculations, so this option isn't needed and is only for backtesting. Here, I select the dark template and then click Confirm. My template has changed to a dark color, and the indicator has started searching and drawing swing separators on the chart, issuing buy and sell signals for us. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy to have you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.